What's going on, guys? First things first, I want to start off by saying happy August. I hope you guys are all had a fantastic July. As we get into August, I opened up the mentorship again for evolutiontraders.com. Definitely check the link down below if you guys want to become a part of the team, get access to those courses and one-on-one trainings. But technical analysis, you guys can't make this shit up. If you really stop and think about technical analysis, and if you actually allow yourself to just start trusting the charts and playing the charts, you will become a much more better and efficient trader. I want to bring up the NASDAQ 100 and show you guys just a couple of quick things here. If we kind of look at my strategy here, we get this close at 10:30 a.m. below the 20-period moving average. Now, if we give ourselves a 1-bar stop, this high wick becomes our max pain. This becomes our pivot. This becomes our entry. Now, if we believe in technical analysis, I'm going to make this video extremely short. We take profits at the next level of demand. When we break a level of demand, we go to the next level of demand, so forth and so forth. If you would look at this entry here, your hard stop is here. You would essentially ride this candle down, ride this candle down, ride this candle to the sideways, ride this candle down. And when we touch the next area of demand, we would sell for profits. If you kind of just look at that trade, what that how many handles that would have entailed, going down back to the overnight session highs here as our demand, we would have taken an entry around 15,483 and we would have taken profits down at 15,443, essentially a 30 to 40 point move on the downside. Now let this consolidate, let it come back up, let it get rejected. As long as we don't put in a new high here, we're still thinking to the downside. The next setup that happens here at 12:05 Pacific Standard Time, look at where we stopped. The wick stops perfectly at that overnight session highs. If this, again, I'm going to mark this out. If this is our max pain stop loss, this is our pivot. We're throwing money into this candle here. Once we break that demand, we are taking profits where, guys? At the next level of demand, which is yesterday's low price at 15,414. Entry price of 15,444 down to 15,414. We're talking about another 30-point move. Essentially, you could have taken 30, 40, 50, 60 handles within the past 2 hours out of the market down to the short side if you would have just trusted technical analysis. Stop trying to tell yourself that you're smarter than the market. Stop trying to underestimate the market's price action. Stop trying to guess where we're potentially going to bounce and see it do nothing. Stop trying to guess. Just play the charts. The moment you guys start playing the charts and trusting these setups, giving yourself a hard stop loss, a 1-bar stop loss. So for example, on this particular short, if we were to close over your 1-bar stop, you're out. On this particular short, if we were to close over your 1-bar stop, you are out. Trusting that this is a game of probabilities and you need to let the probabilities play out in your favor. You're going to be a much more consistent and profitable trader. Again, if you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to learn more to the strategy, you guys want to get access to the live trading, the chat room, the courses, everything else that comes involved with it. You guys want to do one-on-one coaching where we can sit and break down these trades live in real time, we can do that. I spend my day all day sitting here looking at these charts. I can definitely do that with you guys as well to help become a much more better and efficient trader. Again, hope you guys all made money today. Happy August. Again, mentorship for August is going to be closing up very, very soon, so make sure you guys take advantage of that at evolutiontraders.com, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.